Once again, exclusive at hashtag $sign reviews. Back at it again. Once again, exclusive at hashtag $sign reviews. I'm your host, Puma/Illwill. I'm here to share a part 2 review so I can share some more content with you. I'm actually going to push some buttons so that you can sort of see how this thing operates. My first video I explained, so I decided that I want to give you more detailed information with my viewers so that you can understand that, hey, I'm taking this serious. I'm doing reviews on my YouTube channel, and actually I will be setting up and I will be designing a website so that it's a backup just in case YouTube decides that they want to, discriminate against a brother. You know what I mean? To make a long story short, this is a review channel, and I'll also be sharing topic interviews, just all kinds of good stuff. Basically a web magazine on YouTube. So I'm starting off with the reviews because I feel like, it's positive content. So once again, I'm using a 360, I forgot what they call it, 360. It's a 360 with Samsung. And I'm using this to actually film and videotape this. I try to use my phone, but for some reason my phone is not working out. So my phone, when I try to do video on the phone, it only gives me 5 minutes. 5 minutes to record. And I mean, I've been trying to record, and finally I said, you know what, I'm gonna whip this out, this 360, and go ahead and use it to my advantage, because guess what? It doesn't stop. It continues to record. So make a long story short, I got the INSIGNIA. It's a front and back dash cam, okay? This camera is a 10-star, 5-star, excelente. I would say run and go buy this. This camera is, I think I bought it on sale for $109 or something like that, I showed the receipt. It's around there, about $100, a little over 100. But to make a long story short, let me go ahead and start off by showing you this. Here you go. This is the camera. I'm gonna give you, a little angle so you can see it. All right. There you go. And it comes with a mount, and you plug it in to your cigarette lighter. The only way that it will power on is through a cigarette lighter or through a wall charger. Okay, so once again, if you hit your key, like if I'm walking to my car and I hit the unlock button, this will power on automatically. Okay, so if I push this button right here, this button right here is the power on and power off button, I guess. But I know for a fact that if you hit this 2 times, it will do an emergency recording. Okay, it will do emergency recording. So if you got somebody in your car that you don't like, or you want to videotape a riot or protest or whatever you want to do, and you want to record it, and you want to make sure it's saved under a certain list, then you would hit this twice. Watch. Hold up. I'm not trying to be in the video. Hold on. I just focus on actual content. Look at this. Hold on. I'm going to push the button. I'm going to push the button with my finger. Hold on. So now watch. You see that yellow line? You see that? It goes under saving events. And so what it's doing, it's saving. As you can see, that line is getting longer and longer. And I believe it's up to maybe 2 or 3 minutes that it will save. So each time you use this, you push that button twice. You push this button twice, and it will save. Okay? So as you can see, it's saving. Now, I don't know. I'm going to try to stop it. Hold on. As you can see, it has the time up there on how much time it's been saving it. Okay? Now, hold on. You notice this camera has a double screen too. So this is the back camera. This is the back camera, and then it shows the back camera footage right here in this little slot, and then it has the front camera The big screen is for the front and the small screen is for the back. I mean, it doesn't get no better than this. Okay? So let me see if I could change this footage. If not, we'll just go ahead and we'll find out how much it's going to record. It's going on 2 minutes, so it might record for 3. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, and I don't think you guys want to sit here that long to figure that out. Okay? So it's definitely over 2 minutes. It might go all the way up to 5 minutes, which is good. So hold on. Let me see if I can get this thing to stop. We're gonna figure out how to stop this because I forgot. Oh, there you go. So in order to stop it from recording the save events, you hit the OK button. Okay? You hit the OK button. You hit the OK button once. You might hit it twice just to make sure. Now next, this arrow up button or play up button, play down button. I'm going to test this out because I can't remember, but I believe, hold on, let me see what's going to do. I don't know what it did. It did something. Oh, wait. It takes pictures. Oh my God. So if you press this button, it takes pictures. Okay. Let me see what this does. Now, you see what that did? This bottom button, hold on real quick. I'm having fun. This bottom button will go to this screen. So you have options, normal video and then emergency file. The emergency file is the one that I showed you where I double clicked this button for emergency emergency footage, film footage. So that right there, emergency file, is where the video you could find the video footage of video footage that you saved. Let me see if it'll scroll down. See, it scrolled down. Then if I hit OK, it should go to it. Let's see what happens. You see that? Okay. And I believe it has more than one footage on here. Let me see something. See? So if you hit this top button, it's gonna scroll through all these photos right here. It's gonna scroll through all these photos. Look at that. Man, hey, listen. You guys you gotta learn to love my channel, man, because it took time to really learn this camera. And I seen some reviews on this camera, and they didn't even take the time to go through and learn this stuff. So basically, you would think that this camera, by looking at their video, that this camera is garbage, but it's not. This camera is a 10. It's through the roof. And I mean, you need to go buy this. Okay, so let me go ahead and see if I can come out of this by hitting OK. You see that? I don't know what that went to, but it's showing something. Let me see. Oh. Let me back out. Let me see if I back out. So now it's asking if you want to delete the current file or the photo that I just showed. And guess what? I'm going to hit yes. And I'm going to just delete it because, you know what? Let's test it out. So I hit OK. There's another one. Let me see what happens if I hit the top arrow button up. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Try it again. Nothing. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. So there you go. For some reason, I had to hit that button 3 times. So I'm not sure how many times I got to hit that button. But let's go ahead and delete that too. So I could hit that button up, or I could hit the scroll button down. Look at that. See that? Up, down, up, down, up. Hit the OK button to delete. Okay? You see that? Let me see what happens if I hit the scroll button down. Oh, it'll go to the next video. So the scroll button down is basically just going to scroll through the videos. That's what that's designed for. Okay? Once again, I'm going to hit this again to show you how to delete. Oh, see that? Go up, delete. Up, delete. Okay? So, hey, man, you guys got some really, I'm giving you some real good details on how this thing operates, okay? So, let me see what happens if I hit this. Okay, hold on. It went back to the menu bar. See, if you hit this top button, it's going to go back to the menu bar. You see that? Let me see if I can scroll down. Oh, nope. Nope, nope, nope. I want to go out of that. I hit no. Let's go. Let's get out of this. You see that now? For some reason, I hit it 3 times and it went back to this. And then you can scroll down and go to photos. I'm not going to do all that. I'm going to just go to normal. I don't know what playlists do. Let's see what playlist does. Wait. Oh, okay. Playlist basically means this is the options that you have for playlist: photo, emergency file, normal video. So playlist is nothing. It's just describing these three options. Okay. So let me do this. Okay, it went back to photo again. I'm trying to come out of that. It's saving events again. Okay. I want to come out of the saving events, so I hit OK. Remember that? And see, it came out. Okay. So, I don't really know if there's any other options. Let me check. I'm trying to see if there's any other options. I don't know exactly what this is doing. Once again, exclusive at hashtag $reviews. This is your camera front and back dash cam INSIGNIA. And please like, share, subscribe. This is an excellent camera. You need to go buy this as soon as possible. Run and buy this. This camera is A1. It's beautiful and it's a no-brainer. Please go buy this camera and please hit the like buttons, because when I put up a review, it's going to be the best or it's going to be the worst. So that's my goal. I'm going to be sharing some footage of an insurance company that I would pay,